You guys freaking blew up this video the other day about SketchUp's new AI extension. I'm gonna talk a little bit about what kind of prompts can get you the best results. It's important to note that AI is new, right? Like SketchUp is still working on this extension, so it's not gonna be perfect, but I did play around with it a little bit, and there are a couple of prompts that you can give it that will give you better results. So let me show you. When you open up the extension Diffusion, you're gonna wanna make sure that you set a style. It auto defaults to no style, but we're gonna put interior photorealistic. And then up here in the little prompt section, you're gonna wanna make sure that you give it a really specific prompt, and just know that you're probably gonna have to try a couple of times and be more specific and just give it a lot more prompts than you would expect originally. So just kind of start simple, and then you can kind of go from there. You also wanna make sure in your settings here that you turn up the model geometry, respect model geometry, and the prompt influence. Or, you can go down on either one, but I like to turn them all the way up just to make sure that you're getting something like as clear and accurate as possible. So for my description here, I'm just gonna tell it to do a rustic living room with a lot of natural light and a wood beam ceiling with large picture windows overlooking a lake. And we'll hit generate and see. Okay, let's check it out. So I feel like this actually listened to me really well. There are 3 different options here to look through. I mean, it gave me a wood ceiling, it gave me a lake through the windows, it gave me some pretty nice lighting, and it did respect my model geometry very well. There's a couple of wonky things, like these fixtures didn't turn out great, but that's something that you could always Photoshop to if you are familiar there. Or, if you're just using this for inspiration or something like that, it doesn't have to be perfect. So to me, I think this did a pretty good job of listening. Honestly, I've heard some designers really hating on this, but those are the same kind of designers that hate on AI in general. And honestly, if you're a designer, you should probably be embracing this because it's not going away. Definitely planning on sharing more SketchUp tips here, so make sure you give me a follow.